Arlo cameras failing to record motion is a frustrating but common issue. There are four main reasons why this happens, and understanding them will help you get your security system working properly. The first and most common reason is that your system isn't armed. Arlo cameras only detect motion and record when they're in armed mode. If your system is disarmed, the cameras will not respond to any movement, no matter how obvious it might be. Wi-Fi connectivity problems are the most frequent cause of recording failures. When your camera loses connection or has a weak signal, it cannot upload recordings to the cloud. Make sure your cameras have strong Wi-Fi signal strength and are not too far from your router. Motion sensitivity settings are critical for proper recording. If sensitivity is too low, your camera will miss important movements. If it's too high, you'll get false alerts from things like moving trees or passing cars, which drains battery and fills up storage unnecessarily. Finally, many advanced features require an active Arlo Secure subscription. If you're trying to use activity zones, smart notifications for people, animals, or vehicles, these features won't work without a valid subscription, which could explain why your camera isn't recording the events you expect. Remember these four key points when troubleshooting your Arlo camera. Check that your system is armed, ensure strong Wi-Fi connectivity, properly calibrate motion sensitivity, and verify your subscription status for advanced features. The first step in troubleshooting Arlo recording issues is ensuring your software is up to date. Update both the Arlo Secure app and your camera's firmware regularly. Next, adjust your motion sensitivity settings. Start with a medium setting and fine-tune based on your specific environment. Higher sensitivity captures smaller movements but may cause false alerts. Activity zones are crucial for reducing false alerts. These zones let you focus motion detection on specific areas, ignoring movement from trees, traffic, or other irrelevant sources. Camera placement is critical for optimal motion detection. Mount cameras below 7 feet or 2 meters high and ensure there are no obstructions blocking the view. Sideways motion detection works better than direct approach. If problems persist, try removing and re-adding your base station and cameras in the app. This often resolves connectivity issues. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but remember, this will remove the camera from your account and delete all recordings. Use the motion detection test feature in the Arlo app to optimize your sensitivity settings. For additional help, consult Arlo's community forum where users share troubleshooting tips and solutions.